we're going to be creating a virtual machine inside of Azure CLI. First, what we'll do is we'll go over to Azure portal and we'll go to the cloud shell of said portal. We'll select our appropriate account and we'll mount our storage specific to the subscription that we want to add this virtual machine to. And we'll create our storage. With our storage now created, we're now ready to move forward in creating our virtual machine. Let's start with our first command. As you can see, we're going to create a new resource group called Contoso Resource Group 2, and its location will be in East US. With that now created, we'll go forth and create the virtual machine. Now we're ready to create the virtual machine. This script will allow us to create the virtual machine on top of the new resource group we just created, Contoso Resource Group 2. The name of the virtual machine will be Contoso Virtual Machine 2, and the image used will be the Windows 2019 Data Center. The admin username will be Azure User, and we will be providing a password shortly. And now we'll provide the password. And now we'll confirm the password. This will now run for a couple minutes just to set up the new virtual machine. The virtual machine has now successfully completed. Next, we'll run the following command to open port 80 on this virtual machine. We will be installing IIS on this machine, so to open port 80 will allow us to access it later on. Now that port 80 is open, we'll go back and we'll copy the public IP address in order for us to connect to this machine. And here's the public IP address. Next, we'll open up PowerShell on our local machine. Next, we'll run the following command to connect to the virtual machine we just created. And we'll click on Connect. Now, important, you'll need to select more choices as it will try to use your existing Windows credentials to log into this machine. So we'll select Use a different account and type in the credentials we provided. Now that we have successfully connected to the new virtual machine, we'll open up PowerShell to install IIS. And this command will now install IIS on this new virtual machine. Now that IIS is successfully installed, we'll test to ensure that it is running. To do so, we will open up a new window on the browser, type in the public IP address, and connect to the machine. And as you can see, Internet Information Services, IIS, is running on this new virtual machine.